All right, if you've ever spent hours reading long articles, research papers, PDFs, or reports just to find the important points, yeah, that can get exhausting fast. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for research summaries in 2026, step by step. First, understand what ChatGPT is actually useful for when it comes to research. It can summarize long text, explain complex topics, organize information, generate outlines, simplify technical language, and create study notes faster. Now, open ChatGPT on your browser or mobile app and sign in to your account. Gather the material you want to summarize. This could include academic papers, websites, meeting notes, textbooks, reports, or long articles. Now, paste the text or upload the content you want ChatGPT to analyze. The better your instructions are, the better the summary usually becomes. You can ask for bullet point summaries, key takeaways, simplified explanations, chapter summaries, or executive summaries. Always double-check important facts, citations, and technical details. AI summaries can occasionally miss context or produce inaccurate information. One of the smartest strategies is building reusable prompts for summaries, explanations, comparisons, and note creation. ChatGPT should support your research process, not completely replace critical thinking and analysis. And yeah, that's how you use ChatGPT for research summaries in 2026. Once you learn how to organize and simplify information with AI properly, researching becomes much faster and much easier.